Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a really delicious Orzo Mediterranean inspired salad. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is grab a package of whole wheat Orzo. I like to use this one, and I'm using the whole 16-ounce package for this recipe. So go ahead and make the Orzo according to the package directions, and then we're going to let it cool before we make our recipe. Grab a red onion and we'll get started chopping that. You're only going to need about half for the salad, and you're going to want to dice the red onion. Add your onion to your Orzo, which is cooled in a bowl. Grab one zucchini. Unless they're smaller, then you can do two, but I have a pretty big one, so I'm going to just cut up one. And we're going to also cut this into small, about quarter-sized pieces. Now you're going to grab some organic grape tomatoes. I'm going to use about half of this carton, which is a pint. I'm going to slice my tomatoes in half and add to your bowl with your zucchini, onion, and Orzo. Now we're going to add 3 ounces of Kalamata olives. Just make sure they're pitted, and you're going to want to cut them in half as well. Alright, we've got our olives added to the bowl, and we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of feta cheese. Give that a quick mix. All of your vegetables. We're going to make our sauce for our salad. Grab 3/4 of a cup of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic, teaspoon of sea salt. I'm going to add about 2 sprigs of fresh dill to my sauce. This is totally optional. You can also add dried dill if you have that as well. When you buy fresh herbs, be sure to store them in cold water in your refrigerator. This way they will last a lot longer. Whisk your sauce together. We've got our salad all mixed up. Now we're going to cover our dish and put it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. This way our salad can really marinate and it'll be extra flavorful. Our Orzo salad has been sitting in the fridge for about an hour, so it is ready to go. I'm going to grab a little on a plate and we're going to do a taste test. Mike, are you ready?
Me?
Yes, you.
All right.
Let's do this.
Oh. I feel like I'm in Greece. This was delicious. The color is so vibrant, but the flavor, it's transparent. It's very whimsical and it's refreshing. Just tasty. I would do this again.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoy this delicious, refreshing, and bright Orzo salad. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe to our channel, like, and comment on our videos. And for more recipes, be sure to visit our blog, nestinature.com, linked in the description below. Hope you guys have a great day.